Hi everyone, in this section we are going to talk about how to place vias in bulk. First, in the PCB editor, select a copper port area, then look at the properties panel on the right, and under the copper port settings, find the Place Remove Structural Vias button. Click it and a certain window will pop up. Here you can set the via size and spacing. Once everything looks good, just click Confirm. The software will then automatically place vias across the copper area based on the network of the copper port. If you later change the routing or modify the copper shape and need to replace the vias, simply select copper port again and click Rebuild Copper Region in the Properties panel. The system will regenerate the vias using the same rules as before. In my case, I didn't change any parameters, so the result looks exactly the same. If you want to remove these vias, that's also very easy. Select the copper port. Open the same dialog again, switch the mode from Add to Remove, and then click Confirm. The method is especially useful when working with giant copper ports, and it can significantly improve your PCB layout and routing efficiency. Alright, that's it for this section. I'll see you in the next one.